Surface Safety Valve. This module focuses on the Surface Safety Valve, SSV, a critical component in maintaining safety during well testing operations. It begins with an introduction to the SSV, followed by its applications across different well test environments. Learners will understand the features and benefits of SSVs, as well as their vital role in emergency shutdown systems and overall pressure control. The module explains SSV installation and operation, emphasizing correct setup and usage. It also covers industry compliance and best practices, ensuring that learners are familiar with regulatory standards and safe handling procedures. The module concludes with a summary of key points, reinforcing the importance of SSVs in safeguarding personnel, equipment, and the environment. Surface Safety Valve SSV is a hydraulically actuated fail-safe gate valve for producing or testing oil and gas wells with high flow rates, high pressures, or the presence of H2S. The SSV is used to quickly shut down the well upstream in the event of overpressure, failure, a leak in downstream equipment, or any other well emergency requiring an immediate shutdown. SSV is remotely operated by an emergency shutdown device, ESD, which can be triggered automatically by high or low pressure pilot actuators. If an emergency occurs, this feature reduces the possibility of personnel injuries. A number of SSV models are available for different well conditions, pressures, temperatures, and flow rates, and with various connections, such as hammer union or API 6A flanges. Applications: onshore and offshore well testing, cleanup and flowback. Exploration and appraisal well testing. High-pressure oil and gas well production. Testing oil and gas wells with high flow rates, high wellhead pressures, or the presence of H2S. Wells with hazard operational analysis, showing a surface pressure barrier, is needed in addition to the primary or master valve. Features: the Surface Safety Valve has numerous features including fail-safe remote activation, and automatic well closure when loss of control pressure occurs. Double metal-to-metal seals for reliability in harsh environments. Compliance with API 6A, PSL2 or PSL3, PR1 or PR2, H2S NACE MR0175, and fluid class DD specifications. Working pressure, ranging from 5,000 psi to 15,000 psi. Hydraulic actuator, 3,000 psi working pressure, and 1/2 inch NPT. Inlet and outlet connections, API 6A flange, greylock, or hammer union. Benefits: prevent overpressure conditions on downstream equipment, provide immediate well closure in the event of downstream equipment failure, ensure reliable shut-in during harsh environment operations, reduce personnel exposure in emergencies, and comply with environmental regulations and reduce environmental risk. Role of surface safety valves. 1. Emergency shutdown. In the event of an unforeseen hazard such as high pressure from the well or low pressure due to breach in the flowline, surface safety valves can swiftly close, halting the flow of fluids from the well. This rapid response capability is essential for preventing the escalation of dangerous situations and environmental consequences. 2. Remote operation. Modern surface safety valves are often equipped with remote or automated control systems, allowing operators to activate them from a safe distance or as an automatic response to a condition. These features enhance operational flexibility and minimize exposure to potential risks during emergency situations. 3. Redundancy and reliability. To mitigate the risk of valve failure, redundant systems and stringent maintenance protocols are employed. Surface safety valves undergo rigorous testing and inspection to guarantee their reliability under demanding conditions. It is crucial that the surface safety valve is not dependent on air, gas, hydraulics, or electricity for the valve to move to the closed position to provide well control. SSV installation. Surface safety valves serve as the primary line of defense in well control systems. Positioned at the wellhead or upstream of the choke manifold, these valves act as a barrier between the wellbore and surface equipment, allowing operators to isolate the well in case of emergencies or abnormal conditions. Hydraulic gate valve can be used as Level 1 and Level 2 safety valve for well Christmas tree or upstream choke manifold in well testing operation. Its function is to automatically close valve where necessary. It is crucial that the installation of a surface safety valve be closer to the actual wellhead to achieve well control when needed. A surface safety valve will not be able to provide well control if it is downstream of any breach in the production flow line. SSV operation. In accordance with the API 6A, the hydraulic actuator is one function and spring reset valve actuator. The hydraulic actuator opens when hydraulic oil enters cylinder. The piston, the bottom stem, spring and gate are pushed towards. When the hydraulic pressure is released, the reset spring will push the piston until the valve is fully closed. Where necessary, in valve closed condition, meaning zero hydraulic pressure, valve can be manually open or closed by rotating top stem. Warning: after manual operation, hydraulic operation will only be effective when the valve is at full closed condition. No-load valve requires small hydraulic pressure to open. Open speed increases as the hydraulic pressure increases. Full-loaded valve requires rated hydraulic pressure to open. When valve is opened and required to maintain its open position, the hydraulic pressure shall be always retained, or affix actuator cap, and then release pressure. Warning: it is not allowed to permanently affix actuator cap on the safety valve. Compliance and best practices. The use and operation of surface safety valves must follow strict regulations and industry standards. Organizations like the American Petroleum Institute, API, and the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, provide clear guidelines for how these important components should be designed, installed, and maintained. In addition, it's very important for well control personnel to follow best practices and receive ongoing training. Having solid emergency response plans, along with regular drills and simulations, helps teams stay prepared and respond quickly and effectively during emergencies. Conclusion: surface safety valves are essential tools in oil and gas production. They provide an important safety layer to prevent well control problems. As the industry grows and technology improves, these valves will become even more reliable and effective. By focusing on safety, following rules, and continuing to innovate, the oil and gas industry can extract resources responsibly while protecting workers, nearby communities, and the environment. In well control operations, surface safety valves play a key role in keeping everything safe and under control, even during tough situations. Thanks so much for watching. That wraps up today's presentation. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us keep creating more content like this. See you in the next video.